Hey, it's Mark. In this video, we're going to talk about clearing the cache and force stopping on your device, why you would want to do that, and kind of what it means. So first of all, your Android phone runs on the Linux kernel, and that controls the processes on the Android phone. All of the different phones, operating systems have kernels that they work on. And sometimes your app might just be misbehaving, like you're trying to watch something on Disney Plus, listen to something on Spotify, and it's just not working. So you're going to want to force stop the app and then clear the cache. That will usually solve most of the problems, and I'll explain a little bit how to do that and why that would work. So first off, if you want to force stop something, there's a couple of ways to do it. You can go into your settings on your phone, just click on the gear icon, and then you're going to click on apps. So within here, you'll find the app that you want to force stop. Let's say it's Spotify, and you can just click force stop right here. It'll ask you to confirm that, and it'll just force stop it. So it's giving you the control over using the CPU, central processing unit, just kind of stopping that so you can free it up, restart it, try again. There's obviously something wrong if it's not working. So that's one way you can do it, just force stop it like that. After you've force stopped it, then you can click on storage and cache, and you can just clear up the cache. So cache are temporary files downloaded from the internet that may be useful every time you use the app for running the processes in the background, etc. But sometimes those things, there's issues, like it will have a circular system running, the information might be dated and it's not working like it's supposed to. So you're going to want to clear out that cache just so you can start fresh, kind of like reinstalling the app and starting again. So that's how you access it. One way. There's also another easy way to access the app and clear out this info, which is find the app on your device. You're just going to long hold right there, and then up top it says app info. So you just click on app info right there, and you'll see the same things. You can force stop the app, you can go to storage and cache, clear the cache, etc. So you can also clear out the whole storage on the app, and that includes the cache. It's kind of inclusive of this cache and the storage. Typically you just want to force stop it if it's misbehaving, clear out the cache, and then restart it again. It should be working. That's probably the most useful thing to do. Android tries to use the CPU, the processing power on your phone efficiently, but sometimes there are loops, there are errors, things like that. So force stopping and clearing out the cache can be useful ways to troubleshoot that. Clearing the cache doesn't only free up space, but it also just allows your phone to operate more efficiently. Sometimes the apps are in different states. They're in running, paused, or stop states. And when you have cache on there, you're going to be using up more memory, RAM, things like that. So it's a good idea just to clear out the cache if you're unsure. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hope you can get your apps working the way you want, watching your favorite shows on Disney Plus, listening to some good music, podcasts, whatever, on Spotify. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again soon.